All right, guys, check this out. So, 2 days ago, as you can see here, 2 days ago, I got a message or a notification that somebody commented on the OpenSUSE Leap 16 party release party interview that currently the offline installer DVD image requires an internet connection. You get an error, network is not available. Agama installer cannot be used remotely. How's this not a release breaker? A release blocker. And fully admittedly 100%, I have not tested this on a system that does not have the ability to connect to the internet. We're going to do that now, and per usual, I'm going to take you along for the ride. Close this out, and okay, and a little more. This notification's still on my phone, but when I click on this notification, it doesn't go to this comment, and I can't find the comment on the phone or on the web page, web version. And I think maybe the user deleted it, maybe realized he was wrong. I don't know. I never got a comment or any kind of a. I never got anything say that, hey, I was wrong, I'm removing this. So, being the avid OpenSUSE tester that I am, I need to test this out. So, what we're going to do, I've got a VirtualBox running. Already got an install on it, but that's not a big deal. It's actually easier for me to set it up to do this. We are going to boot into this Leap 16 offline installer, and I have disabled the network, as you can see right here, network disabled. We're going to boot this up. We're going to try this and see if it works. And we need to install Leap. Let's go full screen. So let's see what happens. And if it really doesn't work, and I also admittedly have not checked OpenSUSE website for any bug reports leading to such, but if this actually does fail, then I'll go look, and if there's not one already, I will post one, and I will share that link so that you can say me too in that bug report. So go in Leap 16, hit select. All right, overview. I'm going to go host name. I often like to put this as LTL because I can. Localization, change it from Berlin to New York. Select. Network. No connections found, no Wi-Fi found. That's what we're looking for. Storage. And all content's going to be deleted. That's fine and dandy. Hit software. And of course, I am a KDE fanboy, so we're going to go with KDE. And the rest of this is just kind of extra. This one's a little bit different than the current. Oh, that's cool. XFCE has experimental Wayland. That's cool. Multimedia Office, file server, mail and news server, web lamp, HCP DNS server, directory server. I think I need anything else. We're going to close this out. Let's go to authentication, define user, me. Accept and install. Yep, got continue. It looks like it's going to work. So this takes a little while. I'm going to pause the recording, pick it up at the end, and if an error pops up, I will certainly unpause the recording and we'll talk about it. Alrighty, install is complete. We're going to reboot. Let's see if it has an issue with rebooting with the no Wi-Fi or internet connection. Okay. Open up nicely. And there's Leap. Didn't have any trouble. And again, I want to emphasize, come on, guys. Wayland, Vault. Anyway, to emphasize that, as far as I can tell, the comment was removed, so maybe he realized he was mistaken. I don't know. But I clearly had no trouble with installing Leap 16 without any possible or possibility of an internet connection. So I believe we have debunked this one. Let me get a better resolution because I don't like that. Much better. And there you go. Leap 16 without internet info. Leap 16, Wayland. Wayland should be default. Trying. I'm trying. I really am. Trying to make it happen. Anyway, that's it. Short video. There's enough fair criticisms about Agama without adding unfair ones. That's all I'm going to say about that. But anyway, other than that, this video is complete. And as always, I thank you so much for watching.